How to change your iPhone or iPad hotspot name in seconds. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you, as we have simple solution for your problem. Firstly, go and find Settings and tap on it. Now scroll on your screen and tap on the option called General. As you tap into it, it will now take you to the new place where you have to tap on the first option, which is called About. As you can see, there are some options in which you have to tap on the first option, which is called Name. Now change into any name that you want to add and create a new identity of yours. In this way, you can easily change your iPhone hotspot name in seconds. If you liked my video, make sure to give big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends if you can. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.